we discuss exercise 11.2 from trigonometry chapter. So the first one is evaluating the following. The first question is sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Okay. So what is the value of sine 45 and cos 45? So sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Sine is plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. That means sin theta and cos theta are equal. That means sin theta equals to cos theta. So what is the value of theta? Theta value is 45 degrees. Clear? That means cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Now these are like fractions. Why? Because the denominators must be equal. The sign is plus. So numerators should be added. 1 plus 1 it will be 2 by root 2. Now the denominator have root 2. So rationalizing the denominator root 2 can be written as root 2 by root 2. That is equal 2 into root 2 to root 2 whole by root 2 into root 2. It will be root 2 whole square. Square is cancelled. Or root 2 into root 2 root 4. Root 4 value is 2. Now 2 ones are 2 ones are. So that is equal root 2. The value of sin 45 plus cos 45 value is root 2. The second question is cos 45 whole by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. Now that is equal, we are going to the next question, that is equal cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 whole by secant 30. We know that the reciprocal of cos 30 is secant 30. Now what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 value is 2 by cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Now secant 30 value is 2 by root 3. Now we can write 2 by root 3. Sin is plus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 means the reciprocal of sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Now cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Now 2 by root 3. That is equal 1 by root 2 whole by, these are also like fractions. So 2 plus 2 is 4 by root 3. Clear? That is equal 1 by root 2 into its reciprocal is root 3 by 4. Clear? That is equal root 3 by 4 root 2. This value is cos 45 whole by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees value is root 3 by 4 root 2. The next question, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 whole by cot 45 plus cosecant 60 minus secant 30. So that is equal, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The sign is plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60 is how much? Already we know that 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 value is 2 by root 3 whole by cot 45 value is 1. So we can write 1 plus cos 60 value is how much? 1 by 2. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2 minus secant 30. What is the value of secant 30? 2 by root 3. Now this value is, that is equal half plus 1, 1 and half. 1 and half means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 whole by, this is also 1 plus half, 1 and half. 1 and half means 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Clear? So let it be a minus b whole by a minus b. A minus b is cancelled. Similarly, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 whole by 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 are cancelled. So now it will be how much? 1. Clear? So this value is 1. So once check the solution part. The next we are going to fourth question. We are going to fourth question. Okay. Now fourth question from first Roman. So what is the fourth question? Now fourth question is 2 tan square 45 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Clear? The next one, fifth question is secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees all by secant square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. These are remaining two questions from first Roman. Okay. Now we are going to the first question, that is equal to 2 into tan square 45. 2 into tan square 45. That means we can write 2 into, that means tan square 45 value is, tan 45 value is 1. Tan square 45 can be written as 1 square. Now 1 square. The sign is plus cos 30 value is, what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos square. So cos 30 root 3 whole square minus sin square 60. That means we have to find the sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Clear? So we have to do that root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square are cancelled. So 1 square is 1, 1 into 2, 2. That is answer. So these are cancelled. That is equal 2 into 1 square is 1. It will be 2. Clear? So fourth question is completed. Now the next question is fifth. So secant square 60. What is the value of secant square 60? That means we can take the value of secant 60. So secant 60 value is 2. Secant 60 value is 2. Why? Because the reciprocal of secant 60 is cos 60. Clear? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That is reciprocal is 2. That means secant 60. That is 2 square. The sign is minus tan square 60. That means tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? The value of tan 60 is root 3. Clear? Root 3 square is known. Whole by sin 30. What is the value of sin 30? The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin square 30 value is 1 by 2 whole square. The sign is plus cos square 30. Cos square 30 value is, that means cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Clear? That is equal. 2 square value is 4. You can write. Sin is minus root 3 whole square is square is cancel. It will be 3 whole by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Root 3 whole square is 3 by 2 square is 4. That is equal 4 minus 3 is 1. These are like terms. So, like fractions. Numerators must be added. So, 1 plus 3 is 4. Again 4 by 4. That is equal 1 into its reciprocal is 4 by 4. Clear? That is equal 1 into 1 equals to 1. Clear? The simple method is already I told. That means we are going to Pythagorean identities. That means Pythagorean trigonometric identities. What are the Pythagorean trigonometric identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Clear? That means theta replaced by 30. Clear? That means sin square 30 plus cos square 30 value is 1. The next one, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. 1 by 1. That is equal to, answer is 1. Why? Because maybe the bit question is given, or maybe half mark or 1 mark, any one. So we are applying Pythagorean trigonometric identities. So it is in the form of secant square theta minus tan square theta. It will be 1. That means theta replaced by 60. Now in denominator, theta replaced by 30. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Clear? That is 1 by 1 is 1. So first Roman is completed. Okay. Now we are going to the second Roman. So once see the solution part. Okay. Now we are going to the second Roman. Okay, the second Roman is given to be choose the right option and justify your answer. So the first question, second Roman, the first question is 2 tan 30 degrees, 2 tan 30 degrees whole by 1 plus tan square 45, 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. So the options are given to be, the first option is sin 60. That means option A sin 60, option B cos 60, option C tan 30 degrees, option D sin 30 degrees. Okay, which is correct answer. Why? Because we have to simplify, it will be numerical values. Clear? But options are given to be trigonometric values. Okay. So first of all we can take 2 into what is the value of tan 30? So what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 whole by 1 plus, what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 value is 1. Tan square 45 value is 1 square. That is equal 2 into 1, it will be 2 by root 3 whole by 1 plus 1 square is 1, that is equal 2 by root 3 whole by 2. Now that is equal 2 by root 3 into the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So 2 is cancelled, it will be 1 by root 3. So the options are given to be, first option is A, option is sine 60 degrees, option B cos 60 degrees, option C tan 30 degrees, option D is sine 30 degrees. Okay, first of all you have to check the values. So sine 60 value is how much? We know that sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. This value is root 3 by 2. Now cos 60 value is how much? Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Now it will be how much? 1 by root 3. Now which is correct answer? Tan 30. Option C is correct answer. Now the next we are going to second question. The second question is 1 minus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees whole by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. That is equal 1 minus. So tan 45 value is 1. Clear? 1 square whole by 1 plus the value of tan 45 is 1. Tan square 45 value is 1 square. Clear? Now we can write 1 square. That is equal 1 minus 1 square is 1 whole by 1. 1 square is 1. That is equal 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 it will be how much? 0. Clear? So the value of 1 minus tan square 45 whole by 1 plus tan square 45 value is 0. Clear? What are the options are given? So tan 90. Option A tan 90 degrees. Option B 1. Option C sin 45. Sin 45 degrees. Option D is 0. Now direct answer is given. So option D is correct. Clear? Now the third one is the third question. The third question 2 tan 30 degrees whole by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. Okay, so options are given to be cos 60 degrees, option A. The next one is option B is sin 60. Option C is tan 60. Option D is sin 30 degrees. Okay, now which is a correct answer? Now we are going to, that is equal 2 into, what is the value of tan 30? The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now we can write 1 by root 3 whole by 1 minus, clear, tan 30 value is already, we know that 1 by root 3 whole square. That is equal 2 into 1, 2 by root 3 whole by 1 minus 1 square is 1, root 3 whole square is 3. Clear? That is equal 2 by root 3 whole by cross multiplication. 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, it will be 2. 1 ones are 1. So denominator is by 3. That is equal 2 by root 3 into its reciprocal is 3 by 2. That is equal 6 by 2 root 3. Clear? So that's very important. It will be 6 by 2 root 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are. That is equal 3 by root 3. Now its rational factor of root 3 is root 3. Clear? By root 3. That is equal 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 whole by root 3 into root 3, root 9. Root 9 value is 3. Now 3 is cancelled. It will be how much? Root 3. Clear? So check on. Cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? The value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. This value is 1 by 2. Now sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Tan 60 value is root 3. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Now the answer is 1 by root 3. So root 3 means tan 60 value is root 3. Clear? So option C is correct. Clear all of you? So second Roman is completed. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are remaining from exercise 11.2. Okay, we can meet the next class. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from exercise 11.2 in a trigonometry chapter. Okay. Now, my dear viewers, ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేటటువంటి లెసన్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఇమీడియట్గా లైక్ చేయండి లేదా కామెంట్ రూపంలో చెప్పండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. ఎందుకనంటే మీకు ప్రతిదీ కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం వలన నేను చెప్పేటటువంటి ఈ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ కాకుండా ప్రతి చాప్టర్ కూడా చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ లాక్డౌన్లో 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుందని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. కనుక సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇమీడియట్గా మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ మీ ఛానల్లోకి మీ యూట్యూబ్లోకి ఇన్సెట్ అవుతాయి. కనుక subscribe my channel. Okay, thanking you one and all. Have a nice day.